Taking inspiration from Star Wars rolling battle droids, a researcher has developed a robot that glides on a singular large wheel, maneuvered by retractable limbs. This robot, however, is destined for delivery tasks rather than battling the Rebel Alliance. Dubbed the RingBot, this compact prototype was crafted by Associate Professor Joohyung Kim and his team at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. The design draws inspiration from both the iconic sci-fi saga and the assortment of large-scale monowheels built throughout history. Essentially, a monowheel is a type of vehicle where the rider is perched on a motor-driven base that's affixed to a circular track, which constitutes the interior of a singular large wheel. As the wheel spins, the base remains horizontal to the ground and propels the vehicle ahead. Moreover, Kim's design was influenced by wheeled foot robots like the Animal from ETH Zurich, which features motorized wheels at the end of its four limbs. These wheels enable swift, car-like movement on flat surfaces and transform into feet to facilitate walking on rugged terrain when they become stationary. The RingBot features a 515mm wheel with a nylon carbon rim and an elastomer tire. Inside the rim, two motorized modules are linked by a flexible cord and engage the rim with small cogs. Atop each module is a robotic leg that can extend sideways. These modules spin their cogs to rotate the wheel, akin to hamsters in a wheel. They adjust their separation to balance the robot at varying speeds. For turning, a compact module extends its leg to tilt the RingBot. The legs also stabilize the robot when stationary, assist in tight turns, prevent tipping over, and can right the robot if it falls. In conducted indoor tests, the RingBot was manually controlled to reach 5 km/h. Future versions, potentially faster and larger, could autonomously navigate urban environments for deliveries using cameras, sensors, and GPS. These models might also feature four wheel-footed legs for stair climbing and obstacle crossing, similar to the Animal. Kim envisions these robots streamlining last-mile delivery in dense urban areas. The research, supported by Hyundai Motor Group, has been documented in IEEE transactions on robotics. Monowheel robots like RingBot, equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, could offer a compact and efficient mode of transportation in crowded city environments, reducing the space needed for solo travelers and potentially replacing cars for short distances. The balancing technology employed by monowheel robots draws inspiration from AI-driven control systems. These intelligent algorithms continuously analyze sensor data, adjusting the robot's balance in real time. Similar AI principles can be extended to other robotic systems, including exploration robots and those deployed in search and rescue operations. Its unique design enhances maneuverability and opens up new possibilities for robotic applications in challenging environments. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, and until next time, cheerio!